Spring is here, so now it's time to get your bike out of storage, give it a quick eye test, and assess the overall condition of your bike. It is also important that you do regular maintenance checkups to help ensure your e-bike stays in good condition for years to come. First, remove the battery before cleaning to avoid damaging the battery and also allow you to clean the frame underneath. Clean the e-bike with a cloth, or a brush to remove dirt from tricky places like the pedals, between the tires and brakes. You can also use a damp cloth to clean the electrical components, bearings, motors, seals and hubs. Do not jet wash your e-bike as pressurized water can infiltrate the electrical components and cause damage. Even if you are not using your e-bike on a daily basis, you should make it a habit to charge it every 3 or 4 weeks to prevent it from degenerating. If the level goes below 20%, just charge it up again to 50% to 80%. Every electric bike possesses a total number of maximum charge cycles. Be careful not to overcharge your battery, and always unplug your charger when the battery is fully charged. Some batteries allow up to 1000 full charging cycles. This is the total amount of recharging cycles your battery can withstand before losing its capacity. Look at the sides of your tires to find the recommended size for your e-bike. If you cannot find it on the tires, your e-bike manual can also provide the proper size. Also make sure that the tires are in good condition by examining the bike tread. If the tread is worn down or the sidewalls are cracking, then it's time to consider getting new ones. Tighten and adjust your bike seat before using it for the first time. A loose seat can lead to trouble and an uncomfortable ride. You can also do a quick check for any loose screws, bolts, nuts or anything else on the bike. Brake pads will wear out after a period of use and will require adjustment to ensure it works perfectly. Grip and release the brake levers and visually check to see if the calipers move to rim or disc accordingly. The brakes should not stick and should fully stop the wheel in motion. It's also important to note if there's a change in the sound of your brakes, a squeaking or rubbing for instance. Examine your chain and ensure there is no rust or stiff links, and that it is adequately lubricated. Even if you cleaned your chain before the winter, make sure the drive chain is greased thoroughly. Use chain oil to keep it lubricated after cleaning. Wipe off excess grease to avoid excess dirt clinging to the chain and wearing it down. Bring it to the shop if you find one of these problems and you're not comfortable doing work on your own. Take your bike to a bike shop and get it serviced by a professional. E-Bike Universe is available to answer your questions about electric bikes, electric scooters or mobility scooters. You can reach us at 1-800-929-7196 or you can visit our website at www.ebikeuniverse.com to find an e-Bike Universe store near you. We have locations in Toronto, Mississauga, Calgary, Vancouver, Montreal, Quebec City, and St. John's, Newfoundland. Don't forget to follow our social media accounts for more updates. Have a safe ride.